Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. The topic today is modals of possibility. So first of all, what are modals? Modal verbs are special verbs which behave very differently from normal verbs. Here are some important differences. Modal verbs do not take S in the third person. For example, I, you, and he can speak English, and also I, you, and they should be here by midday. You use not to make modal verbs negative, even in simple present and simple past. They should not be late. Evelyn might not come to the party. Many modal verbs cannot be used in the past tense or in the future tenses. So we can't say, he can go with us, or she did study very hard. Both of these are incorrect. So here's a list of some common modal verbs. By no means all of the modals. Can, ought to, could, shall, may, should, might, will, must, and would. Expressions like had better, have to, and have got to are closely related to modals in meaning and are often interchanged with them. However, they are not modals. So let's look at can. This is used to express ability or opportunity, to request or offer permission, and to show possibility or impossibility. Any child can grow up to be president. Now could. This is used to talk about the theoretical possibility of something happening. We could be there. Note that could is also used as the past tense of can. Be able to. This is used to express a single achievement or to express ability. I won't be able to win the lottery this year. May. Most commonly used in academic or formal language to talk about the characteristics or behavior of something. Also for permission and offering help. May I help you? Might is used to express possibility, also to make suggestions or requests. Your purse might be in the living room. Might I borrow your pen? Okay, so here are some more modals. Must. Must is most commonly used to express certainty. It can also be used to express necessity or strong recommendation. Must not can be used to prohibit actions. Use softer modal verbs such as should not or ought not to dissuade rather than prohibit. This must be the right address. This shows certainty. Students must pass an entrance examination to study here. This shows necessity. Jenny, you must not play in the street. This expresses prohibition. Ought to is used to advise or make recommendations. It can also express assumption or expectation, as well as strong probability. Ought not is used to advise against doing something. You ought to stop smoking. This is a recommendation. This stock ought to increase in value. This is referring to probability. Mark ought not to drink so much. This is advice against doing something. Should is most commonly used to make recommendations or give advice. It can also be used to express obligation as well as expectation. You should focus on your family and less on work. I really should be in the office by 7 a.m. By now, they should already be in Dubai. Had better is most commonly used to make a recommendation. It can also be used to express desperate hope as well as warn people. You had better take your umbrella with you today. You had better watch the way you talk to me in the future. Have got to is used to express necessity and obligation. Drivers have got to get a license to drive a car in the US. Have to is used to express certainty, necessity, and obligation. This answer has to be correct. They have to leave early. Okay, so let's review what we've just learned. Choose the correct answer. Correct the sentences if there is an error. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.